Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use two Facebook accounts with one phone number. Let's begin. First, log into your first Facebook account using your email and password. Once you're in, tap OK to save your login information. Now, instead of typing your password every time, you can simply tap your profile picture to log in, making it much easier to switch between accounts. Next, tap on the hamburger icon, 3 lines, scroll down, and choose Log Out. Don't worry, your account is saved, so you won't lose anything. Now, on the login screen, tap Log into another account. Enter the details for your second Facebook account and tap Login. Just like that, both accounts are now saved on your device. To switch between accounts, just tap the hamburger icon, then tap your profile picture at the top. From here, you can jump between accounts with one tap. If you want to remove an account, tap the 3 dots next to it and select Remove Account from Device, then Confirm. And that's it. You've now got two Facebook accounts on one phone with just one number. Thanks for watching.